Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready: black or green tea, sugar, and a healthy SCOBY with some starter liquid. Next, it's crucial to sanitize all your brewing equipment to avoid unwanted mold or bacteria. This step is vital for a successful brew. Finally, you'll prepare a sweet tea solution, which will be the food source for your SCOBY. Once your sweet tea has cooled to room temperature, gently add your SCOBY and the starter liquid into your brewing vessel. This starter liquid helps lower the pH, protecting your brew. Cover the vessel with a tightly woven cloth and secure it with a rubber band to keep out pests while allowing airflow. Let it ferment for 7 to 14 days, tasting periodically until it reaches your desired tartness. After the first fermentation, carefully remove the SCOBY and about 2 cups of the fermented tea to use as starter liquid for your next batch. Now, it's time for the fun part: flavoring. Add your favorite fruits, juices, or herbs directly into your brewing bottles. Common choices include berries, ginger, or citrus. Bottle your flavored kombucha in airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Place your sealed bottles at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to build carbonation. Be sure to burp them daily by briefly opening the caps to release excess pressure and prevent explosions. Once carbonated to your liking, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This slows down fermentation, preserving the flavor and fizz. Enjoy your homemade, delicious kombucha. Check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.